Hey, good morning all of you. This is Piali welcoming into my channel Travel Canvas. This mesmerizing view is from my homestay's balcony which I am enjoying with hot tea, and let me show you this beautiful property. To take a blissful vacation away from the city, to escape your busy schedule and relax amidst nature and comfortable staying facilities, this Pine Hill homestay is the perfect fit in. Located close to the Elephant Falls natural beauty, which is just a 10 to 15 minutes walks from this property. This is quite a spacious with wide parking area and a beautiful lawn. I will share the link how to book this property. You can book it from Make My Dream, Go Ibibo. I got it from Go Ibibo and it's quite a budget friendly. And of course I will share the manager's number so that you can book it directly. So I'm with the I'm with the manager of this beautiful stay. Let's have some bite from her.
Hello, it's Pine Hill Homestay and I hope you people will like the homestay. So do visit the reviews on TripAdvisor.
Good morning.
He is the main owner. He is the owner.
Okay, hi.
Welcome.
Yeah, please come now. Yeah.
Friend can you talk Pine Hill Homestay? Friend from Pine Hill Homestay. Friend, you can continue video there.
I'm busy because I have to rush to shoot.
Okay. So, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. We are going to an unexplored place. It's called Lightloom. It's around 25 to 30 kilometers from Shillong, and it will take us almost 1.5 hours to reach there. It's a very beautiful place, and this weather is little bit cloudy. As you know, Meghalaya is called a bord of clouds. So finally we get to feel some cloudy weather and chilly thing. Oh, I love this weather actually. Be with me till the end of this video. Coffee and Maggie. This is the perfect combo you can get here. This is quite wrong. And this view, amazing. This is the best view I have ever get in this season actually. You can see in this trip. Just half an drive from the city of Shillong, Lightloom Canyon is a priceless gem bestowed in this region by nature. Lightloom literally means the end of hills, and the scenic beauty you enjoy here justify the name given to it. One of the less popular tourist places in Shillong, Lightlum Canyon is the perfect gateway spot if you are looking for a cool and soulless place away from glittering and crowded town. Perched atop serene hills of East Khasi, making this place quite popular among photographers and trekkers nowadays. In this amazingly dying view, have you seen movie Rock on 2? It's shooted here only. Yeah, this is the shooting place of Rock on 2 movie. Yes. These cloud beds freaking me out. This is insane. What is this place, man? Started drizzling something. The Lightlum Grand Canyon is a visual treat, you know. One can see various shades of green for miles around, standing at the edge of the canyon. Just spending a few hours sitting there, enjoying the wind and the solitude, I was so absorbed with the beauty of this place that I didn't want to leave. And yesterday when coming back from Dawki, I took a detour and explored this beautiful newly opened tourist spot to spend some quality time. It is in Langawat village, about 4 km detour from the main road towards Dawki, approx 8 km from Peninsula Market. This is called Ribbit Lake and Resort. This quaint, sleepy hamlet atop the misty hills resembles a land straight out of kids' storybook where nothing could go wrong. The scenery, greenery, calm lakes, and above all the hardworking, polite and humble people of the village are everything that you need to have a great vacation. Moreover, these people are some of the most gracious hosts you will ever come across. So, go pack your bags and start climbing the stairway to heaven while enjoying the beauty of nature along the way. And this is the end of this video. Hope you like this video, and let me know if you have any questions in comment sections below. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada!